In domestic relations, we will assist clients with any type of protective order that involves family or involves children. Many of them are intimate partner protective orders that's either between a husband and wife or between two people who have a child together or two people who have lived together recently. But it can also be protective orders where an adult files on behalf of a child alleging some type of abuse of the child. Or it can be a protective order between two adult family members. Sometimes, unfortunately, a parent will have to file against an adult child because that person has mental health issues or substance abuse issues and is causing harm to the family. Or we also get ones that are between two juveniles, either kids who are fighting at school, or it can be a romantic relationship between two juveniles that has turned violent.
Well, there's several different types of protective orders that can be obtained by victims. One is the civil protective order that they can go to a magistrate, fill out a complaint, and that is an affidavit that they will sign saying that this is what happened and that it is true. They also may have what they call an emergency protective order. And that way something can be in hand that day from a magistrate so that the victim and the family can be protected, and then another court date will be set.
I think it's always in the client's best interest, if at all possible, to consult an attorney before making a decision about what to do. Because once you've filed the protective order, it can have a lot of ramifications going forward in terms of how all of your legal situation plays out. We make sure that they understand the whole process, especially when the other party is going to be served with the paperwork, because that's likely to be a time of increased risk, so that they can plan where they're going to be when that happens. And we'll refer them to DVAC for safety planning. And we also will refer them to Legal Services of Northern Virginia, apply to see if they can get free legal services.
Legal Services of Northern Virginia is the basic bread and butter legal aid for all of Northern Virginia. So we help with civil legal services for people who are low income, elderly, or disabled. We see people at various stages, but it's usually when they have some kind of legal issue or legal questions. So sometimes it's because they've had a court case filed against them. Sometimes it's because they have filed or want to file for a protective order or for custody or divorce or something else. But other times they're thinking about leaving and they want to know what their legal rights might be when they do. DVAC has several civil legal partners who help with different aspects of a client's legal journey. LSNV is the civil legal aid. We provide the broadest range of services, but the one thing that we don't help with is immigration law. And we don't do that because we have such great partners in other nonprofit law firms in Northern Virginia, like Ayuda, who is a DVAC partner, and Tahirih Justice Center, also a DVAC partner. Fairfax County is a jurisdiction that has many, many immigrants, and it's not uncommon that an abusive party will use their partner's immigration status as yet another tool to abuse them by withholding documents, withholding a signature on documents, or blatantly lying to them about how easy it might be to have them deported. And so we can refer to Ayuda, and then they can take it from there and work on the various immigration relief options that the victim might have. There's also JCADA, the Jewish Coalition Against Domestic Abuse, and they partner with us to help the clients that are over income for us or we might not be able to serve for civil protective orders in Fairfax County.
DVAC has several partners in its group. The Commonwealth Attorney's Office is one of those partners. You're in this job as a Commonwealth Attorney, a prosecutor, because you want to help people. Sometimes it doesn't work out the way that everybody wants it to work out, but in the main scheme of things, as long as people know that there are other people out there willing to help, trying to make this person or this family whole again, I think that is the main goal. And if we can achieve parts of that, that's great.